Hello and welcome back. Today we will massage the side of our eyes. Super easy and beneficial for eyes and crow's feet that occur on the sides of our eyes. So let's get started. First, apply some non-comedogenic oil or cream to the area. Make sure your hands and your face is super clean and tap. Tapping helps the skin soak the benefits of the product. Face tapping, also known as facial acupressure or emotional freedom technique EFT. With your right eye, glide from the outer corner of your eye towards the temple outward and glide upward with your left hand, lifting the muscles up. Do it for 10 times. Move on to the other side and do it for the same amount of time. Always use a gentle touch when massaging around the eyes. Avoid applying excessive pressure. It stimulates blood circulation, promotes collagen production, and can reduce muscle tension, leading to a better, brighter complexion and potentially reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now massage on the sides with your index and middle finger, forming 8, and do it 10 times. Now form a V and place it horizontally on the outer corner of your eye for resistance. With 2 fingers, moving from downward to upward motion, slowly like this, lifting the muscles, working deeply and not only on the surface skin. Massaging around the eyes help manage stress and anxiety by accessing the body's energy meridians that provides relaxation. Do it on the other side as well. Repeat 10 times. Massaging around the eyes stimulates collagen production, a protein that provides structure and elasticity to the skin. Increased collagen can help improve skin firmness and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Moving on to our next eye massage technique, work with your index finger and middle finger, place on the outer corner of your eyes, and with your other hand massage up and repeat on the other side as well, forming vertical 8 like an infinity. Do it for 5 times, be slow and gentle. Massaging around the eyes helps relax the muscles around the eyes, which can become tense from squinting or other facial expressions. This relaxation can help smooth out wrinkles and fine lines. Now lift the sides of your eyes like this, be gentle. These techniques increases blood flow, delivers vital nutrients and oxygen to the skin. Now lift with the heel of your palm. Massaging around the eyes helps improve skin tone and texture, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Now make a hook with your index finger and place it flat on the outer corner of your eye. Glide slowly from the outer corner of your eyes towards the hairline. Massage to lift the muscles that weaken and tend to droop with time. Now make a hook with your index finger and massage in a zigzag motion with your knuckles. Go upward, lifting the side eye muscles. Do let me know in the comment below how was your experience and if it was refreshing.